Composite functions, June 2014, question 10. As a composite function, k being involved in this makes it a little bit more algebraic. Okay, so part A says write down in terms of k the range of g. Because g is a straightforward straight line, right? And here's my domain of g, right? For part A, the range of g then is just, if I put x into it, I get 2k minus 4, and then it goes off to infinity. Okay, so that's all we need to do for part A. Part B is where the 3 eggs diagram is going to come in. So if I'm doing FG, I do G first and then F. Okay, so I start off with a G domain. Right, I then do G, and that gives me the G range, which has to then become the F domain before the last part of it. This middle bit is crucial because we know what's coming out of that is 2k minus 4 infinity. Right, and we know the 2k minus 4 from the domain, right, 2k minus 4 has got to be greater than or equal to minus 2 for function f to allow it. Okay, so at that point, I just solve this. 2k is greater than or equal to 2, so k is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, that's the next part down. I'm not going to do my expression for B part 2 for fg of x. So fg of x means that I'm going to do g first and then do f to it. So I'm doing f of kx minus 4. Right, what does that mean? That means I'm going to square it. And then I'm going to add on k lots of it. And then I'm going to take away 8. Now if I expand all of this, it looks quite complex. K squared x squared minus 8kx plus 16 plus k squared x minus 4k minus 8. Okay, and that's done BII. And then for the third bit, we're told that fg of 3 is equal to 0. So if I take x equals 3 and I drop it into that formula, I get 9k squared minus 24k plus 16 plus 3k squared minus 4k minus 8, and I now know that's equal to 0. If I simplify that, I get 12k squared minus 28k plus 8 is equal to 0. Let's make it simple. Divide by 4, so I get 3k squared minus 7k plus 2 is equal to 0. When we factorize this, they're going to come back to the idea right at the start. So here I'm factorizing it. So it's got to go like that. So I get k is equal to 1/3, which isn't allowed from that part, or k is equal to 2, which is the only answer.